Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at sketchit.fun. Hi everyone, welcome back to sketchit.fun. In today's episode, I'll be teaching you how to use the Move tool. Here's the Move tool, or you can select M for you to move. So let's use our existing model as an example. So when you left click on the model, you select it, and you left click another time, it's moved. Or you could choose somewhere near his foot. It's the same thing. To move him in the green direction, you could find it manually, or you can press the left arrow key, and you'll be locked. If you want to lock it to the red axis, you press the right arrow key. And if you want to move vertically, you press the up arrow key. It'll be locked to the blue axis. Okay, for this second part, I'll be teaching you how to use the Move tool more accurately. So let's draw a simple model. You can follow along. Okay, once you're finished with this design, you right click and turn it into a group. So after you select the Move tool, okay, there's a few ways to do it. You can select the Move tool, the object first, then you select the Move tool, then you select one point on the group. Then as you're moving it, you can type in 1000 mm. Or the second way is, if it's not been selected yet, you can use the Move tool directly. The Move tool itself can be used for selecting objects. Okay, after you've selected the Move tool, you'll notice that there's 4 crosshairs that are in red here. So what they're actually for is a quick way for you to rotate. So depending on which side you choose you're facing, the rotate will be a different color. You can do it from the top as well. Okay, the third way to use the Move tool, and it's also my favorite way, is that after you select the item, you select the Move tool, and everything is the same right now, except you tap on Control or Command. You see? You just created a copy. So this one is called the Move Copy Move. So within the Move tool, you can actually by using the Move tool, you can create copies of what you already just done. In this part, I'll show you how to do move copy by multiplication. So after you select the object and you select the Move tool, the next step is for you to select one point within the origin. So as you're moving, you go on to Control, and you can see that the distance is changing. So the distance from this point to this point will be 2500, and I press enter. Then during this time, the move tool or SketchUp will remember what I just did, and I go on to press X5, which is multiplication by 5, and boom, you get 5 objects. As long as you don't left click or choose any of the icons here, you can rotate, you can orbit, you can pan, you can zoom in and out. I can make changes. So X3 will mean I'm having 3 copies. X10 will increase the number of copies. But once I select another command, it won't work anymore. Okay, just now I've already shown you how to do move copy by multiplication. Here's the second way to do it. So again, you select the object that you've already grouped, you choose the move tool, you select the first point that you're interested in, and you tap on to control. This time around I'll be showing you how to do move copy by division. So this time let's pull it further. Let's pull it to 18 meters or 18,000 millimeters. And here I can pan, zoom out, zoom in, or orbit. Then now I'll press /3, and there you go. As long as I don't select another command, I can change it to /5. So after you've moved the object, made a move copy here, before that, including this, there will be 5 copies. /8, /2, /whatever. And you know what? You can also change it to multiplication. You can press X3. Or you can go back to /5. Awesome, right? For today's challenge, it's gonna be very simple. You'll be using the move tool to clone an army of Chris. Alright, let's begin. So let me show you how to clone Chris. So after you select him, you move. So let's make it 100, right? I'll move him 15 meters away. Oh, I made too many. So let's turn it down to 9. So now there's 10 of them. So next, let's move it back. And I've multiplied them by 9. Done. Ten by 10, 100. Thank you for coming to watch this episode. So as of now, you should know that the move tool has various functions. You can use it to move objects. You can use it to rotate objects. You can use it to create copies. And you can use it to duplicate. You can use it to make copies by duplication or division. I know that this tool might be a bit difficult to use for some of you guys, but I hope you can rewind the video and watch the steps that I showed on the start in the beginning, because I've broken them down to individual steps, and it takes time to get used to. So it might be a lot to take in now, but trust me, if you just practice, you'll get it. Okay, till next time. Oh yeah, and for the next time, I'll be teaching you how to use the rotate tool. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at sketchit.fun.